Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Sokmrus Doors Plush toys, widely regarded as the best Doors plush you can find. Whether you're a fan of the monster horror game these plush toys are inspired by or simply love collectible plushies, this set is a must-have. This set includes 4 high-quality plush figures, each designed to bring a beloved and thrilling character from the game to life. The craftsmanship is evident in every stitch, from their soft, premium material to the attention to detail in their unique expressions. These plushies are a perfect blend of cuteness and creepiness, capturing the essence of the game beautifully. One of the standout features of these plush toys is their super soft texture. Made with high-quality fabric, they're incredibly comfortable to hold and hug. This makes them ideal for kids, adults, and anyone looking for a cozy, fun addition to their collection. The plushies are also lightweight and portable, so you can easily take them wherever you go. These plush toys don't just make great companions, they're also fantastic for room decor. Whether you place them on your bed, a shelf, or even your gaming setup, they add a playful and unique touch to any space. They're also a wonderful way to showcase your love for the game and its characters. If you're looking for a gift, the Sokmrus Doors plush toys are a great choice. They're perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Fans of the game will appreciate the thoughtful gesture, and even those unfamiliar with the source material will enjoy their charming and spooky appeal. These plushies are suitable for all ages. Kids will love their playful designs, while adults can appreciate their collectible value and nostalgia. They're great for imaginative play, themed parties, or simply as stress relievers after a long day. The Sokmrus Doors plush toys are more than just toys. They're a blend of artistry, quality, and fun. If you're a fan of the game, a collector, or someone who loves unique plushies, this set is a must-have. Don't miss your chance to own the best Doors plush on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews of the best products out there. See you in the next video.